All right, here we go. Picked this up at Walmart. These were normally 160 or 170, and they had these cams, 1080 HD cams, down to like $49. So I was like, I kept sitting there. I was like, I don't know if I want to do that or not, or do it or not, or do it. I was like, hell, that's $100 cheaper. I almost thought about buying them all and selling them on eBay, but I don't know. I mean, this is something we're just going to try this year. You know, if you're into self hunting, and you still see these at Walmart. Let me see if I can get this thing open. Yeah, it's a TACTACAM. Woo! There goes my. I'll get that here in a second. But yeah, you can screw it onto a bow. It comes with the accessories right there, as y'all see, to scope mount it. So you can, with the rifle, or if you're on a scope or anything else like that, it's actually, the camera's inside the stabilizer. But that, like I said, for $50, this is just a quick look. I'll do a review on this later on, but for $50, for $150, $170 high definition, outdoor, waterproof, Wi-Fi, solo cam, everything like that, I'm like, hey, you can't beat it. That's for sure, being that cheap. It's a seasonal item. That's why it's classified as a seasonal item. So it's into hunting season, even though, you know, you can hunt year round, a lot of the stuff out there. They dropped the price on these. I mean, that's an insane drop, over $100 drop on these right here. They're trail cams. If you're looking for trail, they got the trail cams down to nothing. I mean, high dollar, $200 cameras marked, just dropped on the price. It's nuts. So if y'all get a chance, get by Walmart and see if they still got some of these in stock. Definitely be worth it. But like I said, we'll do over time, do a review and everything else on these, just to see and show y'all what the footage looks like on those. But there you go. That's the TACTACAM Share Your Hunt Solo Hunter Package. There you go. Bow stabilizer, universal gun mount, and crossbow mount included. True vision brings targets 3 times closer than the leading competitors. Instant playback. Well, where the hell? Oh, I guess that's with the Wi-Fi. So you can sit there and download the app on your phone, and whatever you just recorded, you can sit there and put it right back. Now I'm curious, does it take a SD card? How much memory does it have? It's 30 frames per second. The battery lasts 2.5 hours. That's good. What about the memory card on here? USB. Y'all are kind of learning as I go here. Up to a 50 cal. So that's interesting. Storage, micro SD card up to 64 gigs, not included. So okay, you can put a 64 gigger on there. And if you're getting the SD cards, always when you're doing self hunts, self filming, even if you're doing just projects around the house, try to get the the cards with the number 10 on it. That's your best quality on video. So if you got an SD card and it's got like a 4 or a 2 or a 5 on it, just try filming with a 10 on it and see if you'll notice a difference on those. But there you go, just a quick look at a deal. Walmart made an offer I couldn't refuse. I'm gonna make you an offer you can't refuse.